Okay, so I am trying this Flying Dutchman burger, but I am going to try it with some veggie patties, okay? So I am cutting my onions. That one I cut absolutely too thin. You definitely want to cut them thick, and you're going to see why in just a moment. Don't cook that part, so make sure you take that part off. Okay, so these are the burgers I'm using. These veggie grillers from Running Star. These are my absolute favorite if I'm not making my own veggie burgers. So I'm going to let those cook just a little bit, about 5 minutes on one side. And after I flip them, I added my onions to the pan. That's the beauty of cooking with veggie burgers, because you ain't got to wait till that raw beef get done. Alright, so while those are cooking, I went ahead and made my burger sauce with some mayo and some ketchup, some relish, and mustard, and just gave that a mix. Alright, so now I am going to go ahead and flip my burgers over and then my onions, okay? And this is the one that I cut to thin. That's what I was talking about, but I'm going to use that for my insides, which is absolutely fine. And yeah, as you can see, when you cut them thick, they just flip so perfectly. So now I'm going to add my burger sauce to the top of my burger, add one burger on an onion, and I'm going to add that filling that I said that I was going to use. I put that right there and added the cheese on top, and now I am going to add my other grilled onion, and you guys, it's so delicious and so good. And my daughter is going to try it first because I am not camera ready at all. And when I tell you, this was a deliciousness we was not ready for. Definitely going to make you some. If you have it In-N-Out by you, go try it.